the hummingbird.
Let me see. That's the hummingbird. It's so pretty. Look how they fly. They're flying through the sky.
They don't fly high, but they just they can stay, right where they fly. See, when they fly, even they don't get any branch or tree, but they can stay right at the middle.
Let me see. Okay. This is a hummingbird.
Why don't you come
See,
in there?
there's two.
Come into the video. Yeah. No, don't scare them, honey.
Okay.
You just stay right here, and then your face will be in here.
Hmm.
This is Mia face. Mia do like a hummingbird. Look.
That's a hummingbird.
Yeah. Where are they?
We're falling away.
This
There's one.
is Mother Margaret neighborhood.
And there's the hummingbird.
Yes.
They're
They still have a lot of flower here.
Yay!
Roses and I'm sorry, honey. They come back to play with Mia.